It was a whole debacle just trying to get this stinking phone. First, Samsung's website was down the whole time for the pre-order launch day. So I moved on, found out Best Buy wasn't a bad option, so I put my order for that. It said it was gonna show up at February 25th today. I was like, okay, cool. I had a gift card, all that kind of stuff. Was able to get another gift card because of that promo. So I thought, okay, this is not a bad deal. I'll just go through Best Buy. I checked my status a few days later and it got pushed to April. So I'm like, nah, I can't do that. So I canceled that, went over to Samsung, put an order in, said it was gonna be March 5th. I'm like, okay. I can wait a few more days after the official launch date. It'll be okay. Won't be that bad. A few days later, I saw my order getting pushed to March 25th. I'm like, no, like, how is this possible? Because I've seen so many people get their orders early. So I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna go to Best Buy website, see if I can just pick it up the day of. They have 3 units in stock, so that's what I have here. Lo and behold, I have the Galaxy S22 Ultra in hand. It's not the exact setup of what I was preferring. It's the 128 gig model, so I missed out on that upgrade, but I wanted to get it in my hand so I could start making content. I've seen a lot of videos about this thing and I'm really excited. It's got the S Pen, it's kind of like a Note. I know a lot of people joke around about it being just basically another Note. All right, here we go. Let's get this thing out of the box. I'm excited about using this. I've been using the iPhone 13 Pro Max as my daily. I plan to switch over to this, so that way I can get the full experience. All right, so we got some protective layers here that you can obviously remove. You know, these days they're not including much in the box, so it's pretty much a SIM card tool here. We got a cable, so that's good. It's a USB-C to C. All right, let's take some of this off. I know some of y'all really like these plastic grippings. I must say I do like the black a lot. My next favorite color, if I had a choice, would have been white. I really wanted to get the white one. So the back has kind of like a matte finish. It's still got a solid structure, so I like that a lot. With the sides having that kind of glossy feel, it's kind of grippy, so that's good. Got the power button and the volume rocker on the same side, and I'm a fan of that. I do like that a lot. So we could just got a microphone on top. Looks like we got our SIM card tool, USB-C, our speaker, and our S Pen. I haven't had a Note device in a hot minute at this point. I plan to make a lot of content around the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so stay tuned for that. I've got some fun creative projects I want to do with this phone. So I'm really looking forward to making that content. Again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you next video.